Hey, what's up everybody? I'm over here at CJ's backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today, we're gonna be making a seafood stir fry on the Blackstone Griddle.
You guys done yet? Come on now. I'm starving. So is my friend.
Alright man, for this dish, basically what I got, some mushrooms, baby corn, zucchini, onions, cilantro, and some garlic cloves. We're gonna go ahead and, since you already got some oil on there, go ahead and slap this bad boy on there. We're gonna saute our veggies. We're gonna hit a little bit of Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt. A little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning once we start incorporating everything. Sesame oil, yes, it'd be perfect. Okay, we are going to use some soy sauce, but we're going to put that a little bit later on. Really simple dish. Oh yeah, that sesame.
Yeah, I can smell it already, right?
Yeah, it's got a good smell right there. Yeah, so since we got a lot of wide space here, we're gonna just go ahead and put everything out so that way it can cook a little bit faster. Spread out everything evenly. Alright, for our next section, Marion, we're going to start heating up our noodles. What I'm using today is this Japanese rice noodles. These are already pre-cooked.
I can't open it.
Yeah. Alright, so when you put them in the packet like this, you just add a little bit of water.
A little bit of water?
Yeah, do we got it? Here, I'll get you water. You got my water?
Yeah.
Or a little bit of oil. Alright, so we got our already pre-made noodles right here, or rice noodles. So to break them down and cook them, we're going to just add a little bit of water. Let that water just heat up and basically it'll soften them up. Just give them a toss. You know, these were refrigerator temperature.
Oh, okay. Are we seasoning those too?
At the end. At the end, yeah. But yeah, just right now I'm just using the water to break them up. You know, this is a fairly quick dish. You know, you just saute your veggies, heat up your noodles, and then at the end we're gonna cook our seafood. We're gonna be using crab, and we're gonna be using some shrimp. How are we looking over there?
Oh yeah, it's starting to soften up. Gotta get the bottom side.
Just get the water in there. It'll get it going. Start breaking apart on you.
I can smell that already.
Yeah, wait till I put everything together though.
So you gotta massage it in there.
Yeah.
Like, see, as long as you're gentle.
Yeah, just gentle with it. You just move it around. Yeah. Let the noodles get some of that moisture of the water, and it'll start breaking it down. You know, loosening it up. The heat also helps that. There you go.
Without losing a noodle. You want me to keep an eye on the dog?
No.
Would you like me to take the dog home with me?
You're not allowed to take the dog home with you.
There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and alright, so now that you got these all broken down, Marion, I'm gonna go ahead and move these over. Alright, for this next portion, I'm going to be putting some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to be dropping in our fresh crab meat and our shrimp. Again, go ahead and season it with pink Himalayan salt.
The bowl's right here.
Go ahead and season with some fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, so for this part I'm going to be adding a little bit of soy sauce just to the meat. This is where I'm going to marinate the shrimp and the crab meat. And I'm going to be putting a squeeze of lime, half a lime. And go ahead and give it a toss. Get all those flavors mixed into that shrimp. How's the smell of that soy sauce, Marion?
Oh, it smells good. I can smell it too. Did you put some sesame oil?
Nah, not on the shrimp.
On the shrimp.
Here, just for love for you, brother. I got you, man. Let's do some sesame seed oil on that, on some of that shrimp there.
It's one of my favorite seasonings.
Yeah, the shrimp literally take like a couple minutes. So once the shrimp are pretty much done, we're just gonna fold everything together and just put it all, you know, one big old pile. So since this is our veggies are already sauteed, you know, we don't want them too mushy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just turn this side off on the Blackstone. All right, Marion. So after about 3 to 4 minutes on medium on the Blackstone, your shrimp's gonna be ready to cook. So now we're gonna just basically take all our noodles and all our veggies and just go ahead and incorporate everything together. Just give everything a nice toss. Actually, it's easier if you had forks. So at this point, this is where we're gonna add some more of our soy sauce. Give it that dark color into the noodles and everything. Alright folks, I don't think it gets any better than that of street food, Marion. What do you think?
Oh yeah. It just needs a plate.
It needs a plate. Exactly.
Needs a plate.
Let's get a plate going.
Alright. We're gonna go with the closed concept. Great. So what do we have here?
We got some hoisin sauce here, and then we got that sweet and spicy. So depending on if you're gonna be serving at like a food truck or something like that, you give them the option and sauces of how they want it.
Oh.
So they can go with like the sweet or sweet and spicy, or spicy, however. And this here is a seasoning pack for the noodles. Some people add it, some people don't. Go ahead and give a nice. Let me show you some more love than that. All right, Marion, so to finish this off, we put a little bit of lime right there, a half a lime. And then we're just gonna sprinkle some sliced green onions right there on top. What you think?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
CJ approved?
Oh, CJ's got a taste test.
All right, so you guys seen how I made it. If you have a Blackstone, I challenge you to make a stir fry. And if you have Instagram and you end up making this dish, go ahead and tag me on there at Kirby's_fish and grill with the hashtag cook mentality. That way I can check it out. And also, thank you CJ for having me over. Hey, awesome weekend, brother. Marion, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Hey, it was
what a weekend.
What a weekend.
Yeah.
So, we had a beautiful dish made here. Now it's time for the taste test.
I'm ready.
Go for it, guys.
Oh, I'm supposed to feed you?
Yeah.
My bad.
I thought that's what we agreed on.
Oh no, that's awkward.
Yeah.
Very good, brother. Very good. You guys need to try this. I worked hard supervising these two characters.
That's amazing.
You know, to top it off with the hoisin sauce, it's really good, man.
Yeah. I don't know.
Or top it off with that dog.
That dog.
Leave my dog alone.
Add a little bit of lime. A little bit of lime on here.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead and try it right there. That nice zesty freshness right there.
Good bite. Oh, that brightens it up, man.
Oh yeah.
Alright, this was a three-way collaboration. Cooking with CJ, Marion from Robert Roy, and yours truly, Kirby from Kirby's Fish and Grill. All channel links will be in the video description. Go ahead and check each other out. If you're new to our channels, hit that subscribe button, click that bell so that we can see an awesome dish like this in the future. And what do you guys think? They gotta smash that like button, right?
Smash the like button.
Smash that like button. And if you think this was a cool video, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. Y'all take care. Now be beautiful.
All right, man.